Good morning, UpNexa family and beyond. AJ Levitt here. Happy Monday. Already did an installation at Salon East Hair and Spa. Now we're heading over to Delfiore Pizza, upgrading his POS. He had an iPad-based tablet POS, but heard about Clover via our Instagram, hit us up and said, get those things in here. We're on the way, Joe. See you in a minute. UpNexa out. Have a great rest of the day.
Sei io da partigiano, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao. Sei io da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellire.
Welcome to Delfiore Pizza with UpNexa. Customer-facing printers, Apple Pay and contactless payments for both. Brand new Clovers. Looks a lot better than an iPad-based POS.
Doing an in-person install on a Monday, trying to help the guys transition, which we always do. We'll be here to help all day.
Proper signage. The customers know about the program. Follow me. Get your printers all set up.
Somebody called that for you. I thought I called that for you. Oh, we're here.
Get your printer number 1. Beautiful pizza.
Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, guys. Sorry to
Number
interrupt.
2. Finally. Number 3.
Kitchen printer number 3 up there.
All set up with alarms to let the cooks know when the orders are ready. On a busy Friday night, it gets loud in here.
All right, sounds good, guys. Talk to you soon.
Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Stamattina mi sono svegliata ed ho trovato l'invasore. Oh partigiano, portami via. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire. Mi sei muoio da partigiano. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao.